Do you want to make money online in 2023 by doing something simple and easy? Do you have a good typing speed and accuracy? If you answered yes, then this video is for you. In this video, we will show you how you can type CAPTCHAs and earn $6 per minute. That's right, you can make $360 per hour by typing CAPTCHAs online. What are CAPTCHAs? They are those images or texts that you have to type to prove that you're not a robot. You may have seen them on many websites or apps. They are used to prevent spam and abuse. But did you know that you can get paid for typing them? There are many websites and companies that need people to type CAPTCHAs for them. They pay you for every CAPTCHA you type correctly. It's a simple and legit way to make money online in 2023. Watch this video until the end to find out how you can start typing CAPTCHAs and earning money today.
We will walk you through the whole process. We will help you enhance your skills. And we will teach you how to earn money online with no limits.
For the first website, we will talk about typecaptcha.com, a website that pays you to solve CAPTCHAs online. CAPTCHAs are those images that contain text or numbers that you have to type in to prove that you're not a robot. But this is not the best website for this kind of work, so stay tuned until the end to find out which one is. Anyway, let's see what typecaptcha.com has to offer. You can work from anywhere as long as you have a computer, a keyboard, and an internet connection. You will also get paid instantly for your work. It is very easy to start working on this site and make money online by solving CAPTCHAs. But why do people pay you to do this? Well, there are many types of images that cannot be recognized automatically by computers or software. And there are people who are customers who need these images to be recognized by humans. They use typecaptcha.com as a service that connects them with workers like you. So when a customer sends an image, they collect it and send it through a simple interface where you have to type the text correctly according to the image. For each CAPTCHA that you solve correctly, you will earn money. To start working on this site, you just need to create an account and click on the Start Work button. There are some training tasks that will show you what to do. You will be ready to work in 5 to 10 minutes and earn money by solving CAPTCHAs. The rates are $1 per 1,000 normal CAPTCHAs for 12 seconds and $3 per 1,000 reCAPTCHAs for 44 seconds. The process solving a normal CAPTCHA is as follows. They extract the CAPTCHA image from the page and send it to the CAPTCHA service where you will enter the text in the right field. They then send back the answer which has to be entered in the right field to solve the CAPTCHA. Go ahead and click on Get Paid and you will go to this page. So now all you have to do is go through the registration process as usual. And once you're logged in, you can start working and earning money right away.
Wait a minute. Have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified in our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Next, we will talk about megatypers.com, another website that pays you to type online. Megatypers.com is a company that offers data entry services to private and public organizations. They help their clients with digitizing their paper documents into editable digital files. They also provide services such as image-to-text recognition, voice-to-text transcription, and helping the visually impaired to access the internet. They're looking for typers from all around the world. You only need a computer with an internet connection and the ability to type at least 10 words per minute. You can work whenever you want and for as long as you want. The faster you type, the more typer credits, which can be converted into dollars, you earn. Megatypers is ideal for, number 1, stay-at-home moms. You can take care of your kids and earn money online from home. You can also enjoy some quality time with your children while typing CAPTCHAs. Second, parents who need extra time. You can work on megatypers.com after your main job or in your spare time. You can also save money for your kids' education or other needs. Students need to pay for their expenses. You can work on megatypers.com during your breaks, weekends, or holidays. You can also improve your typing skills and learn new words while typing CAPTCHAs. Fourth, people who are between jobs. You can work on megatypers.com until you find your next job or start your own business. You can also use megatypers.com as a backup plan in case of emergencies. Your earnings depend on how much work you do. Their best typers make between $100 typer credits and $250 typer credits every month. Their payment range from $0.45 typer credits for every 1,000 word images typed and can go up to $1.5 typer credits for every 1,000 words typed. As typer credits can easily be exchanged for a dollar currency, they can pay you various methods such as debit card, bank checks, PayPal, Web Money, Perfect Money, Payza, and Western Union. You can start making money on this website by clicking on the sign up button right here and following the instructions on the screen to complete the registration process as usual. You just need to enter your email, password, name, payment type, and check this checkbox right here. For the payment type, they suggest PayPal, and so we will go with PayPal. When you're done, click on the register button and you can begin working and earning money right away. And that's all you need to do for this website. Let us introduce to you our last website for today. It's called colotibablo.com, and it is the one that pays you the most. This is how the website looks. They have a vision that everyone everywhere deserves a secure job. So what makes Colotibablo stand out from the rest? Well, there are three main reasons. It is reliable. Colotibablo has been in the business since 2007. They have established a reputation for being consistent and trustworthy. They're not going anywhere anytime soon. Second, it is accurate. With their precise statistics system, you can monitor all your work and earnings. You can see how many CAPTCHAs you have typed, how many money you have made, and how many time you spent. You can also see your training, your accuracy, and your speed. You can also compare your performance with other workers and see where you rank. And third, it is liquid. You can withdraw your earnings instantly to various payment systems, or you can even transfer them to another account. You can choose from PayPal, Web Money, Payeer, Advanced Cash, Bitcoin, and more. You can also set up automatic payments or request payments manually. You can cash out as soon as you reach the minimum threshold of $0.5. Scroll down to see some testimonials that show how reliable and reputable this website is. You can read the feedback from other workers who have been working on this site for a long time. You can see how satisfied they are with the service, the support, and the payment. You can also see some screenshots of their earnings and their payment proofs. You can be confident that this is legitimate and incredible source of income. So, how do you join this website? Just click on Start Working Right Here buttons. As usual, fill in all the information that they ask for. You need to enter your email address and password. Once you're done, click on the Register button and you can start working and get paid right away. So make sure to try all the websites at the same time because that is the best way to maximize your results. So if you want to achieve the best results possible, try everything, test everything, and follow everything we have just taught you, which is basically everything you need to know.
And that's it for today. If you learned and enjoyed watching this video, please give us a big thumbs up.